today I shall be cooking fruity chickpea tagine. It's a vegan dish, a lot of stock cupboard ingredients, easy to make, very nutritious. So I'm going to start my demonstration now. Right, so I've got everything ready. We call this mise en place. So here we've got 2 leeks. I've already started chopping some of them up and I'm just going to finish. And what we need to do with this is we need to cut the leeks into a small dice. You need to make sure that you wash your leeks really well because they can be covered in soil. So put the leeks in the colander, and I have already washed them. They need washing and then draining so that we're not adding any water to the dish. I've also got 1 carrot here that I have diced up, so I'll just finish dicing it now. We call this a brunoise, which is a fine dice. Best way of doing this is to get it into nice little sticks, batons like that, and then go down, holding your knife carefully, watching those fingertips. So that's our carrot. That's 1 carrot that I've got there. It's always good to get everything ready before you actually start cooking, so that you're not leaving the stove to get ingredients that you've forgotten. So 2 leeks, finely chopped, 1 carrot, finely chopped. I have got a tablespoon of whole cumin seeds there, 1 tin of chickpeas, drained, 1 tin of chopped tomatoes. I have got a small dried chilli. You could use a fresh one, but it's better if you can use a whole dried one because we take this out at the end of the cooking. 2 bay leaves, 2 cloves of garlic, a tablespoon of tomato puree, 150 ml of tomato juice, and then here I have got 6 dates which I have chopped up, and 6 apricots again which I've chopped up. Put those on one side. And then we've got 150 ml of vegetable stock that I've made. You could use a stock cube or you could make your own. I have got a tablespoon of ground almonds here. If anyone has a nut allergy, you can just omit that and not use it. And we will be serving this with a lemon and garlic infused couscous. So I've got 100 grams of couscous there. I've boiled in my kettle, got a lemon and another clove of garlic. So now we're going to start our cooking. So you can do this all on top of the stove, or you can start it off on the stove and then put it in your oven. I'm going to start mine off on the stove, and then I'm going to cook it slowly in the oven because I think it benefits from that. And then what I'll do is at the end of the session I'll just put a photograph of the finished dish so you can see what it looks like. So turn our gas on, and in here I've got 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Vegetable oil, rapeseed oil would be suitable, but don't use olive oil or butter.